Hi everybody, welcome to the demonstration of Smart Print app. This is a demo site where we have created and configured SharePoint lists and libraries for demo purpose. Let's open up the Smart Print app by navigating to the site contents. Click on Smart Print app. This is a home page of an app and it has three sections. First, it displays the SharePoint list, libraries, links, etc. And whenever the business users click on this particular list, it will display the other two sections. The second section, it displays list basic information for quick review, and third section displays the configuration details where business users will specify the configuration information. Okay, now let's select the list. As we see in the second section, first it displays the print status to know whether it is enabled or not, and it displays the list URL which will help business users to navigate to the list quickly, and it displays the available views which are present in the selected list, and it also displays the other information like title, when the list was created, description, which template was used to create the list, whether the version is enabled or not, whether the folder creation is enabled or not, whether the attachment is enabled or not, and it displays the total item count, when the last item was deleted, when the last item was modified. Okay, now let's configure print for accounts department list. In the configuration details section, specify the print tab name, say for example accounts print. Specify the print page title, say employee accounts information. Click on S to choose the page break option. Click on default to choose the print mode and select font size as 16. Click on enable button which will configure the print for the selected list. Click on the list URL which will take you directly to the list. If we observe in the ribbon, it has created a new section called accounts print, and it has three options named print item which will print the selected items, print current view which will print the current view which is same as the default browser print preview which will display the print preview for selected items. Let's select the items and click on print preview, and here it is. It displays the information properly. If you observe, it displays the information which are available only on the selected view. Now let's modify the view and enable some other columns which we needed, and then click on OK. Let's enable account manager, internal audit manager, and multi-user field, and report status, report submitted date. Click on OK. Okay, now let's select the items and click on print preview. As we expected, it displays the information which are available in the list view properly. Okay, now let's click on print item option. It will ask for which printer you want to select. For now, let's select the XPS document writer and give the name for the document. Let's specify the name sample. Click on save. Let's open up the document. We see the page title displaying properly. We see all the information are displaying properly. We see the page break is applied properly. We see the font size also getting applied properly. Now let's go back and update configuration details for the accounts department. Let's change the print tab name to print. Change the print page title to accounts information. Select no for page break and select grid for the print mode and specify the font size as 16. Click on update. Click on OK to continue. Navigate to the list and we see the print tab is updated properly. Let's print some items and see how it is displaying. Select the items and click on print item. Change the preference to the landscape as we are printing in a grid mode for the best view. Choose the XPS document writer and click on print. Specify the document name, say demo, save to complete. Let's open up the document. As we expected, the information are displaying based on the updated configuration details. Okay, let's enable print for awards and recognition list, which has the attachments columns, and see how the information are displaying. In the configuration details, let's specify the print tab name, say for example awards print. Specify the print page title, say awards information. Click on yes to choose the page break option. Click on default to choose the print mode and select the font size as 15 and click on enable button. Let's navigate to the list by clicking on the list URL and select the items to print. Specify the document name, say attachment demo. Save to complete. Let's open up the document. We see the attachment information are displaying properly. Let's enable print for the links list and see all the information are displaying. In the configuration details section, specify the print tab name. Say for example, print. Enter the page title, project details. Click on S to choose the page break option. Click on default for the print mode option. Select the font size as 16. Click on enable button. Let's navigate to the list by clicking on the list URL and select the items to print. Specify the document name. Say sample. Click on save to complete. Let's open up the document. As we see, all the information are displaying properly. Okay, now let's enable print for the configuration list, which has more columns, and see how the information are displaying. In the configuration details section, specify the print tab name. Say for example, print. Enter the print page title, project configuration details. Click on S to choose page break option. Click on default for the print mode. Select the font size as 16. Click on enable button. Let's navigate to the list by clicking on the list URL and select the items to print. Click on print. Specify the document name. Say links demo. Click on save to complete. Let's open up the document. As we see, it displays all the information properly. Regarding the print current view, I have already created a sample document. Let's open up the document and see information. Finally, if we want to disable the print, click on the disable button. Example, let's disable the print for the accounts department list. Click on disable button. Click on OK to continue. Navigate to the list by clicking on the list URL. So as we expected, the print is disabled. Thanks for watching the demo and see you on the next app.